Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In today's guide video, I'm going to be showing you how to add in a card to your Cash App. By adding in your card to your Cash App, you can easily transfer money to your Cash App account. So let me show you the quick process of it. Open up your Cash App. All you do is tap on the home option that you see on the bottom left. From here you can see your available balance. Now to add in your card, just tap on add cash, and for now select any amount of money. You can select the custom amount, or if you tap on the three dots, you can also select and type in your own amount. Tap on add. In the next section, it's going to give you a section to add in your card details. So you can easily type in your card number, your expiry date, your CVV and your zip code. And you can tap on link card, where your debit card or your bank card will be successfully linked to your Cash App. And you can easily transfer money directly from your bank or your card to your Cash App. So that's the way of adding in card to Cash App. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.